Here, we'd like to share the star product LED Leko Night Mini with the 20W. It's a private module from the One Studio, made of a high-quality fireproof die-casting aluminum housing with a fanless cooling system. Have using the imported LED lamp with high CRI, bright effect, pure color temperature, and a uniform spot. In addition, we used an external power supply and fixed it on the handle with the DMX in and out. You can use the lens between 19, 26, 36, 50 degree, with 4 pieces of shutter leaf produce a different shape. And it also will project the amazing custom-made gobble effect. The small size housing is very suitable for museums, gallery, art show, small tea show, stores, children theater, etc. Finally, this product we have another versions with a remote control. It is also very convenient to use.